Kani kediga Batisi TV, mat pidang pek yaki kubur baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
Ka jingelang kebelalong mentasngi arpoi trik nailar arajar arpo, ha pedeng ke sorkar bat ki MLA jong ki constituency ki bahab ha East Coast Hills District. Ka la shimi karai bantauno de ki komiti ha ki constituency, nak benta banwat gilat gelinti hakawai day bak kajing kun tama persya ya kajing sapriang juk kanyang jingpang COVID khat kendai habakran sigila pathai kubor hadien belawai kajing lang bat ki MLA jongki constituency ki bahap ka East Coast Hills District kabalalong hanong ba Shillong umintri rang ba jong jalaw konat ke sangma ulay thu bayakini committee on sakle hi da ki MLA ki ban se trelang da kajing stu jingmon bat ki COVID Management Committee ki bahap opo ki constituency jongki kanang bakan donru jing trelang hapdeng ki COVID Management Committee bat ki Borsenshire District ki block bat ki nat trekam fair.
And most of the MLAs have attended. It was a very positive meeting where we have discussed in detail all the aspects of the situation of COVID-19, and I'm thankful to all the MLAs for giving a lot of positive suggestions. There were also some issues that they have raised. They have taken note of all those issues, and we will be acting on them accordingly. At the same time, we have also decided that we will be putting up committees at the constituency level. So this will be a committee that will be headed by the MLAs, who will then coordinate with the rest of the COVID management committees which fall within their constituencies, so that proper coordination takes place between the different COVID management committees and the district administration and the blocks and the departments concerned. So therefore, this was the major decision that took place. This exercise will be again conducted in different parts of the state, in other districts also. So we will be sending other cabinet ministers who will be visiting other districts and taking up the matter and sharing the same concerns that were there. At the same time, we have asked the different committees and the different MLAs also that in the long run we need to also look at the entire aspect and the kind of impact COVID-19 could have in the state, and in that aspect we have looked at the options on how we could sensitize people to look at home quarantines wherever it's possible, even in positive cases. Also to look at the possibility of having community corona centers wherever it's possible, in line with obviously the community and the local leaders, and obviously looking at also the aspect of enhancing the different corona centers and beds in different districts of the state. So I think that is also very important part, and we have discussed that. And apart from that, as I said, MLAs raised a lot of different issues, and we've taken note of that, and we'll take positive steps in all of it.
East Coast Hills kadai ke Jakarta ke baksak tam. Tinggi layak keren shibun gigi. Dan sarkar kalau penting singi balesi kan sadon tam biang ya kejingi rap jongki nong trei kam snong. Jongki dorbar bagi kiwi ban yarap biang ban yarap ban bed ban kmi lem ya kini di baksak test positif. Kumbakalong mentah nado si tarik jong kena Julai. Tang sampun real case sisni. Remenen PE sispa akan lusna. Ladala sisni ne hadin sansni pakai siapa sanspa ne induspa. Saya ingin nyalam yakini kibala tes positif. Kesorkar kalau ayengi kita kajeng pensai bagi don laijat kita bang tes positif. Sijat tidak kita gibang don kono kajeng pang tambah kisah tes positif. Sijat tidak kita gibayo malum mala kajeng pang kum kajeng shit kajeng ho ne kita. Bat kidon pat itu ki badon tam ya ka critical ke lani ki bahap ban bo ban yo oxygen bat ki jingerap naka hospital ka ventilator ka ni gatai tingin ni ong kumni ngim don tam mangim up hado banda lapon ka pasti kumbakalong menta to ka sarkar kalaya wer lem yangi bangin ya tre kan ban yarap bangin sedang ban kmino ya kum kita ki Jakarta ki bangila bangin thep ikini ni basya test positive namar kumba kalong ni ban tha iki shaya ha ka bakti long ni kimla ban bat ya pitu ki protocols kum ban don la ka jong ka Jakarta sabar ban don la ka jong ka kasung ban don la ka jong ai bam la jing khang ban shong bet ki ta hoi na kamra ngimpat kan ki bobon ki long yin jungi ki long yin ki bedok te ngi la pensyai siya kasaka bangin day ban yo iya kata kasngi ba kita ki dorbar ki jungi kin sedang sabang kre ya dari kapam ko lalong sabang so ko you don't come ki train person ban ped ban mi ban ri ye ki bisa test positive namar lada mentak kasngi ki dang shulong asymptomatic lan ki don kono jingpang ha kamet ko ba ki ui di news ni kila pandon tila da baro kita hapun pek dari dorbar snong let's see kan poi ha ka ba tingi la ai suggestions sibon ka sarkar ko bang sa tingi kan form no kita ki committee ki covid management committees ki ban include lang di dalam Emily ban min saya pek ban saya mi kat kum ka jingdawa hala ki jong ki jakan namar ka baja hasilong city kamja haki wiki city tumyo I kum kani ka jingja awat kasalang sendet kalau day ko ni kita ki red spots to so kan nila ang dengan friend kumno kini red spots ki sedang sendet buat PCU sendet pakiwan numbers of case kilong positive di ngikremen bakin sa form kita di committee ni dong ka jingshania namar ba hakun kini ka por mudal opposition mudal mulai Nega kapor jong kajing ele ma persya e kajing pang kabakam ther na kajing ele persya nung sun ngila ong yu deputy chief minister buram la new chief minister buram bakidei ban clarify ya to kala don lehem ke community spread katum kajing yo snow na he jong kati HS ti ulo ong bakala dei ke community spread ngingi ong komni Hilayo I baka ni kas knyang jingpang kelas lampar stet. Ipat ba kim day ban mi lagi yang kisam stang la dadon kami. Ngilaya kren rupa ka sarkar ba ki babong ki office. Ki barung pa mi ki brio na baro ko way ka idi bandon ke testing center hati offices. Yo semua ngadi uru kata ka jing Subret kita pipi isu ini kita itu kalau ke bawah segmen tinggi don kamban don ke proper management nomor ba hagawai galenti IPPE ye kita ki officials ni hagawai galenti pada subret pakar kita tiar ke bekipang whether they are positive or not is irrelevant ni hapan pen tinggi lah ya ai kum kita ki suggestions ki bobot baro ki MLA ki bayadan lang tu ibat banyak lain tak sawut nak iskasi sila itu lang bat ngilay ay jing mut ibobol namar lada pi contain ya kawai ka locality sampungyo ye sampu fry ye kimsha gitu bikin mi saba kimsha ino bandrong ha to ka locality itu kin bam kumno hindi kumno kabam sa kiro kampol kum kita ki kum kalong yen kawai lada ha compound jo nga sa quarantine nakadaw ba siya test positive iba siya wangi yung jo nga compound jo nga bro ko siya quarantine sarkar kami mentemui ration tang ye ita ibai jadi berkat lami ki wi ki bodan na ka compound bat ai dat dinya daya baro nila siya shol patukat ni ngut la pedeng dumi haki committee di bafe committee bana lam mat dong speaker jong bayi yeng darbar thau an dumi tamba nakaway the meeting siya kaway the meeting siya ki presentation halot ki presentation action on the ground is required misusin ki officers ki batray net step ninde ban condemn than ki officers ru makam de ka kam ka basuk ban let ma persya ka jingtong tin ray ila sedang minta kini ni pek ka kandus ni kin simpat kan tipi ni simpan ki committees ki bokhe bulan ban ha but min saya pek namar ladala syai aspa kadang ka positive case tang masalong city kini la point ka ba di kapor kalong kami kat tama iway nagi MLA ba Edelbert ilapun pang nakabasya ba safety health safety jong kini ki officials ru kalong address namar ki lekta siya ki covid centers ki bopher di habli kayang siya kaya ga guarantee ba kiru kinom one long positive ako with sni kalau long positive makit ki sem ki jong kiru ila friend iba Edelbert ba karu kompensyong ya ki officials jong iru kalong inadequate issue open ni ki shop untuk non cubicles non a non protective gear hakata karukom so ngila ya friend shibon ki ulong ko basusi ba despite kiwi ki state kilanang yan pasti cumi ka kiyo ko number dikata ka dikata jing kali ngila ya kali tinrek ka argument cumi ka debet wala ba ka number cumi ka kiyo revenue compare ba kiwi state per million gidan na ringi ong na yu tan ni kiwi mo naman ka ka bajaha ka state ko cumi ijak menteri tu tong kandit lada kani ke jingpang kapur kloy balakas dang pankem antam lele ki kulung ki kena ki teman ki kro itu ki balak dulu pagi jingpang ki metro ki let's see kan sampai ke ka stage ko ka crisis kan zaman Pero si kata kila show yang iba ka crisis kan umban break ka nang mi ka benay ni yo iba situations is not good malada ka sarkar baru DCS ubalam kmat ka sarkar hapdeng expert ki doktor wong ba what you mean situation kamahan kapenting penting ni baro andi men jungi benne kalungkom ni kimot kumnom don tamban lockdown ya baro ya ki ba lockdown pila lockdown ke kalau tak ti ke jingin jungki pila da pi pen lockdown ya baro ne pi pen lockdown tang siang si kampung si dong kawan sejuk namar ka jingjulan kawan sejuk baro ki ba syong ha ko ke kampung kinla ban ni namar badan uwi nong syong wai ubayo test positive la ni ubaya kenduk nya kita ki basak test positive tikini ki situation sini la ong bat ula ai ni ke jempular ba zero down ha ya kini ki agenda juni ni don tamban ai por ka sini tu nilai ya keren sibon